Track 9. 1. What's this?
Is it a yo-yo? No, it isn't. Is it a ball? Yes, it is. It's a small ball.
2. How old is Lisa?
Hello, my name's Lisa, and this is Pat. Hello, Lisa and Pat. My name's Ben. It's my birthday today. Happy birthday! How old are you, Ben? I'm 8. How old are you, Lisa? I'm 7. Pat is 6. Let's play.
3. Where's my pen?
Is it on the shelf? Is it under the table? No, it isn't. Look, it's in my pencil case.
4. How many crayons can you see?
These are my crayons. How many crayons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can see 9 crayons.
5. Who am I?
Hello, I'm a robot. I've got 1 head. I've got 2 arms. I've got 1 body. I've got 3 legs. I've got 6 toes. I've got 8 fingers.
6. Who am I?
I've got 2 legs. I've got 2 arms. And I've got 2 ears.